Hello everyone, this is my review of the PROFOOT Triad Orthotic Insoles. I got these insoles to help cushion my feet, to help with my knee pain and back pain, and so far I've been pretty pleased with them. They are pretty soft cushions, as they're ergonomic, so they fit to the console of your feet. As I'll show you here, it fits to the foot, and I'm putting them in my shoes now. The insoles are pretty easy to install into your shoes. Just stick them in, and they pretty much stay where you put them, so it doesn't slide around in the shoe. They do last a pretty long time. The insoles give you extra cushion in your shoes. It makes it very comfortable when you're walking. It's spongy, and it feels great, and it gives you a little extra pep in your step. So I highly recommend these insoles, and I hope this review helps.